Shown here is the rear door panel on the Porsche Cayenne. In this video, I'll go over the steps involved with removing it. Use a trim removal tool with a hooked end to gently pop the cover off the armrest handle. Start at the front top and gently work your way down. Once the handle cover is removed, move to prying the armrest cover off. Start at the front and work your way backwards. Now pry the rear section off, starting near the handle. Keep an eye out for any clips, green arrow, that may be missing from the cover. If they are stuck on the armrest, gently pull them off and transfer them back to the cover. Remove the 4 T30 Torx screws, green arrows, mounted inside the armrest. The best tool for this job is a 4-inch long 1/4-inch extension. Remove the 2 T20 Torx screws along the bottom edge of the door panel and indicated by the green arrows. Now comes the hard part, getting the door panel to pop off the door. You'll want to work your way down each side, carefully working each clip out. A set of thick plastic pry tools really helps here. Once the door panel is free, tilt it forward slightly from the bottom and pull it up and off the top of the door frame. Next, remove the cable from the inner door handle. Pull the cable out enough to rotate it around to the opening in the handle latch, yellow arrow. Once free, pull the plastic end nut up and out of the handle. Now gently pry the plastic arms, green arrows, of the cable retainer outward and pull the retainer back to release it from the door panel. Follow the wiring harness from the door panel back to the electrical connector on the window motor. Press the tab on the back of the electrical connector, green arrow, and pull it out. Press the tabs, green arrows, on the electrical connector at the front of the door panel and separate the connector. Check the door frame for any mounting clips that may be left behind in the door. Gently pry them out at the base of the clip. If the clips are still in good shape, simply pop them back into the mounting cups on the door panel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.